Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about React Router. React Router is a key tool in React development, facilitating navigation between components while synchronizing the UI with the URL. This library is instrumental in building single-page applications by handling navigation in React apps. It achieves this by using components to delineate various routes within the application, streamlining routing logic. For instance, consider a news website where React Router assists in seamlessly navigating between sections like home, articles, and contact pages by adjusting the URL and UI accordingly. Its component-based routing approach simplifies the process of managing and directing user flow. The BrowserRouter component utilizes the HTML5 history API to synchronize the UI with the URL, serving as an encompassing wrapper for the application. Route components are employed to display the UI in accordance with the URL, requiring two props, path specifying the URL path and component denoting the UI element to render. On the other hand, the link component behaves akin to an anchor tag, facilitating navigation between diverse routes seamlessly. For example, if you have a React application with different pages like home, about, and contact, you can utilize BrowserRouter to manage the navigation and route components to render the respective pages based on the URL path. Additionally, link components can be utilized to create navigation links between these pages, improving user experience and enhancing the overall functionality of the application. To create a simple React application with two routes, home and about, you can use the React Router library. The provided Python code snippet showcases a minimal implementation using React Router in a React application. Firstly, the code imports necessary modules from the React Router DOM library. It then defines two functional components, home and about, each rendering an h1 tag with the respective route name. The main component, app, is a functional component that includes a BrowserRouter component from React Router DOM, wrapping a div containing link components pointing to the home and about routes. Additionally, it includes route components for each route. The exact attribute ensures that the routes match precisely. When a user navigates to / the home component is rendered, and when they navigate to about, the about component is rendered. This setup enables the navigation between the home and about pages within the React application by leveraging React Router's route and link components to manage different views based on the corresponding route accessed by the user. React Router provides dynamic routing through URL parameters, allowing for flexible navigation within a React application. An example of this dynamic routing is /users ID, where ID serves as a variable parameter. For instance, using link to equals /users123, user profile link enables navigation to a user profile page with the ID parameter set to 123. This approach allows developers to structure routes dynamically, catering to different user profiles, posts, or products, maintaining a coherent and adaptable architecture in React applications. React Router is like a GPS app for a website, helping users navigate through different pages, just like a GPS guides drivers to their destination. Each page in React Router is like a different location on a map, and users can easily switch between them, like changing destinations on a GPS app. Just like how a GPS app shows the most efficient route to reach a destination, React Router efficiently manages the flow of a website's pages for users. Hey, code conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. Before navigating through the code, it is crucial to grasp the concept of React Router. React Router is a comprehensive navigation library for React applications that enables seamless navigation handling by enabling declarative routing for single-page applications, SPAs. Let's dive into the breakdown of the provided code. 1. Installation of React Router. To begin, the React Router library is installed using npm to manage the routing functionality within the React application. 2. app.js, the central component of our React application that encapsulates the routing logic, utilizes the BrowserRouter component, aliasing it as router to establish the routing context. The navigation links for home and about pages are defined using the link component provided by React Router. The routing of components based on the URL path is managed by the switch component, which selects the appropriate route based on the URL. When the path matches /about, the about component is rendered. If the path is /, the home component is rendered. 3. Home and about.js. These are simple functional components representing the content of the home and about pages respectively. The home component displays a welcome message, while the about component provides information about the developers and the technology stack in use. 4. React Router in action. When the application loads, users are presented with navigation links for home and about. Clicking on the links triggers React Router to navigate to the respective components, simulating navigation just like how GPS guides users to their destination efficiently. Real-world examples, applications, use cases. E-commerce websites often use React Router for handling navigation between product listings, cart view, and checkout pages. Dashboard applications can leverage React Router to switch between different sections like analytics, user management, and settings. Educational platforms can utilize React Router for seamless transitions between course modules, quizzes, and forums. In essence, React Router plays a pivotal role in enhancing the user experience by ensuring smooth navigation within React applications, akin to a guiding system steering users effortlessly through various sections of a website or web application. One significant real-world application of React Router is in e-commerce websites. For instance, consider a popular online marketplace that uses React Router for managing different sections of their website, such as product listings, checkout process, and user account management. By leveraging React Router, users can seamlessly navigate between various pages while maintaining a smooth user experience, similar to how a well-designed road network ensures efficient movement between different destinations. Another practical example is in the field of online learning platforms. Educational websites often utilize React Router to organize their content, including courses, quizzes, and resource pages. With React Router, students can easily move between sections of the platform, track their progress, and access learning materials efficiently, much like how a well-connected transportation system enables travelers to reach their desired locations promptly. In essence, React Router plays a crucial role in enhancing the user experience and streamlining navigation in various industrial applications, providing a structured and intuitive way for users to access different parts of a website or application. Across the globe, businesses and organizations are leveraging React Router to create seamless browsing experiences reminiscent of efficient travel routes, ensuring users can reach their desired destinations effortlessly. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.